Welcome to English for Everyone. In today's video, you'll learn 15 common English phrases that native speakers use every day. You'll learn what they mean, when to use them, and hear simple real-life examples. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's get started. What's up? This is a common way to ask someone how they're doing. People often use it when greeting friends. Example, what's up? Not much. How about you? Repeat after me. What's up? How's it going? This is a friendly way to ask how someone is doing. People often use it with friends and coworkers. Example, hey Sarah, how's it going? Pretty good, thanks. Repeat after me. How's it going? I'm on my way. This phrase means you're coming right now. Example, where are you? I'm on my way. Repeat after me. I'm on my way. Hold on a second. Use this when you need someone to wait briefly. Example, can you help me? Hold on a second. Repeat after me. Hold on a second. Give me a minute. This means you need a little more time. Example, are you ready? Give me a minute. Repeat after me. Give me a minute. No worries. People use this to reassure someone. Example, sorry I'm late. No worries. Repeat after me. No worries. No problem. This is a common response to thanks or apologies. Example, thanks for your help. No problem. Repeat after me. No problem. Sounds good. Use this when you agree with a suggestion. Example, let's meet at 6. Sounds good. Repeat after me. Sounds good. Of course. This means certainly. Example, can you help me? Of course. Repeat after me. Of course. Absolutely. This is a strong way to say yes. Example, do you like this idea? Absolutely. Repeat after me. Absolutely. I'm not sure. Use this when you don't know something for certain. Example, is the store open? I'm not sure. Repeat after me. I'm not sure. Let me check. Use this when you need to verify information. Example, do we have any milk? Let me check. Repeat after me. Let me check. I'll be right back. This means you'll return very soon. Example, where are you going? I'll be right back. Repeat after me. I'll be right back.
That makes sense. Use this when something sounds logical. Example, I left early to avoid traffic. That makes sense. Repeat after me. That makes sense.
Have a great day. A friendly way to say goodbye. Example, thanks for your help. Have a great day. Repeat after me. Have a great day. Great job. You've learned 15 useful English phrases. Practice them this week and try using them in real conversations. See you in the next video.